Go and sit down, you can get in the film. Scarlet. What's your full name? Scarlet?
Scarlet Bees.
Scarlet Emma Bees. Yeah.
Yeah.
And where's Emma come from? Who's got the name Emma? It's also called Noonies.
In this house, and my first name is Emma.
Well, no, it's Scarlet Emma, but Emma's my name, isn't it?
Yeah.
But you call me Noonies. Yes.
Emma is called Noonie. Yeah. And Scarlet is called Emma Bees.
Scarlet Emma Bees.
My first name. But your first name is Emma.
Yeah.
And you're not Emma.
Well, I am Emma.
Yeah.
That's my name, but you don't call me Emma, you call me Noonies.
Yeah. No, Noonie. I called you Noonie.
Noonie.
Can I watch it now?
Well, when you watch me filming Lucy. Lulu. 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 Hello. Hello, Lulu. Right.